Okay, and one thing to remember, or you'll realize over time, the C shape, which in this case is 5 root 3, 5 root 3, or the C minor shape, which is over here, we have a good one. This is just a C minor shaped D minor, and it's going to be in the root position. Actually, this C minor shape here goes 6 2 4 6 6 2 4 6. Okay, the C shape, the fingered chord. Okay, the fingered chord is in root. All right, so with that, Dorian would be. So that's in root. So if you have the sixth underneath it, a fourth underneath that, that's second inversion. So, all right, I was wrong. I thought it was root, but I'll tell you why, because G is root. G is root. Anything G shaped, the bottom 3 strings is root. Anything C shaped, the bottom 3 strings is second inversion. Anything E shaped, the bottom 3 strings are first inversion. So here's your second inversion. 6 2 4 6 for that Dorian. It's a C shaped second minor, which would be in the key of C is D minor. Let's look at an E real quick. The E is first inversion, so we could look at the Dorian, but let's not move the display around a lot. I noticed it started to get me kind of dizzy, so 5 7 3. Well, I'm just going to play that in the key of C. 5 is G, 7 is B, 3 sounds like Blue Danube, but no, 5 7 3, not 5 7 2. So right there we have what? First inversion E minor. So anything E minor shaped on the bottom 4 strings is first inversion. Anything C minor shaped on the bottom 4 strings is second inversion. And anything G minor shaped on the bottom 4 strings, hello G minor, hello G minor, right here, is root 2 4 6 2, a big old D minor chord. So that's an important thing to remember. That's worth remembering, you know, because the bottom 4 strings, now I'm counting from the bottom, standard string numbering notation. If it counts this top string as 1, it would be from strings 3 4 5 6. Okay, but I call them fourth from the top, third from the top, second from the top, first from the top. Well, that's wrong. Third from the top, fourth from the top, fifth from the top, sixth from the top. Okay, but I usually like to consider this the bottom 4 strings. So we've got 2/3 of our arpeggio already, but the top part of the arpeggios is going to, we're going to be involved with chords that kind of overlap. So strings, the bottom 4 strings and the top 2 are going to overlap like by 1 to get the 6, like that. So we know what we have on the bottom. So if I do, and it works for majors or minors. So if you do a C, let's start with root. So we'll start with a G root. I'm going to move this A G root is just and you know that's a G chord, right? Then the first inversion would be a C shape, so we look for the G, the same root relationship on the second string. And as you know from start cage from any string, if you start a C shape on the one string up, it goes to an E shape. Actually, a G shape from one string up goes to a C shape, like that. So this is the that F wanted to play. So now when you go up another string, you're taking a C shape and starting it from the third string. So we have to start that C shape on the I guess second inversion. So we're looking for a D on the third string right here. Here's one that way down low. Take that C shape. Okay. Alright. C shape from the second string becomes a G shape. Becomes an E shape. Something you could bar like this. There's your E bar. Alright, so that works. Okay, got a little mixed up. Now, you start a G shape from the third string. And you get that E quality. I had it suspending for there. So it works. We'll just do it one more time. G shape from the first string. Okay, that's a G shape. Then G shape from the second string takes on a G shaped, a C shaped G. There's your root warping over. Okay, so that becomes a C shape. Now again, G shape from the third string. Becomes an E shape because C goes to E. And then it goes back to fourth. So A, E goes to A, kind of thing. If you started a E shape from the second string, it should go to an A, right? Now you're going to go to here, but it's got to warp up. So it goes back to the fourth. Sorry I messed all that up. I really did. I mean, bad. But we're almost like through the major part of the segment, so we don't want to start all over again. That is start cage from every key, any string. All right. Okay, so this is the way these guys are arranged. All right. Every time we do start cage from a different string, it confuses you, but it's a valuable tool because let's say I forgot how to do a C or something like that. So I just want to play my G. I can start it from a different string, go through the tuning warp, and realize, oh, this has become an E shape. Okay,